Okay guys, there was a question on rear quarter patch panels for Rambler, Rambler American, Scrambler and so on. So the question was about indent on the lip. Very important question, and I'm gonna try to answer this question right now. So here is my trash pile. One's man's trash, another man's treasure. But here we have patch panels. And this is famous. This is NOS lip, and it has a slight indent on it. That's what people was asking. Here is the replacement patch panel, and we're gonna try to find the indent, and here it is. Maybe not as much pronounced as original, but it's there. Yeah, so here's your answer, pretty much. And they will be available for sale around February 1st, 2024. The patch panel will be under $200. I'm thinking in around $180 area, 185, somewhere in there, plus shipping. So that's the panels, and I'll have both sides. I'll have one side or two sides. If you get two sides, you'll get a little bit better price. If I have to ship two sides in one box, it's obviously less shipping, less packaging, and so on. So you'll get a break if you get two sides. I think we came up with pretty good replacement patch panel, and you don't have to destroy any more cars to cut out those panels. This is one of the examples. Yeah, you don't have to do that to the cars. Anyways, please subscribe, like, support the channel, and even if you don't watch the videos, please subscribe. It will help a lot. Just hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Just subscribe so we can do a lot more things and provide a lot more content for AMC community. Thank you. Bye-bye.